Hello children, class 6th exercise 12.3 question number 4. Cost of 5 kg of wheat is rupees 30.50. The first, what will be the cost of 8 kg of wheat, and the second, what quantity of wheat can be purchased in rupees 61. Now what is given information? Cost and kg. The cost is 5 kg कितने का है? रुपीज़ 30.50. And in A part they told us find the cost of 8 kg. What is the cost of 8 kg of wheat? We'll do the cross multiplication. That is 30.5 into 8 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 6 are 0.5 tens are. If you multiply this 8 6 are 48 point, 8 ones are 8 point, it will come 48.80 rupees. Okay, we'll write this is our A part. Now we'll find the B part. We'll write the answer of A part. The cost of 8 kg wheat is rupees 48.80. Now the second, again cost and kg, will take the help of this only. What is the 5 kg का कितना है? 30.50. and in second part they have told us this time rupees is given, and we have to find के rupees 61 से how much wheat we can purchased. So I have taken the same. This time rupees is given 61, and we have to find the kg of wheat we can purchase. Same thing, 61 into 5 will divide 30.50. Now point I will cancel 2, 0 taken, cancel 5 tens are 5 6 are and 1s are, and you can see 61 is cancelled, only 10. So we can say that 10 answer will be 10 kg of wheat will be purchased by rupees 61. Hello student, class 6th exercise 12.3 question number 5th. The temperature dropped 15 degrees Celsius in the last 30 degree. If the rate of temperature drop remains the same, so how many degree will the temperature drop in the next 10 days? Now in question 5th the information is given about degree and days. In 30 days how many degree drop? That is 15. So we have to find how many degree will the temperature drop in the next 10 days. So 10 days में how much degree is dropped down. We'll do the cross multiplication. 15 into 10 upon 13. 5 2s are 5 6s are 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 1s are 3 5s are. So we can say our first answer, will be how many degree means 5 degree will drop in next 10 days. Now question 6. Sania pay rupees 7,500 as rent for 3 months. How much does she has to pay for a whole year if the rent per month remains same? Now in this rupees and the month is given. The rupees is 7,500 for 3 months, and they told us how much does she has to pay for a whole year. So in whole year, how many months are there? 12. So we can do, and we have to find how much she has to pay. In this way, 12 multiply 7,500 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 4s are multiply, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28, 29, 30. So answer will be she has to pay for a whole year, that is 30,000 rupees. Question 7. Cost of 4 dozen banana is rupees 60. How many bananas can be purchased for rupees 12.50? Question 7. Information is given about bananas and the rupees is given 4 dozen. 4 dozen, एक डज़न में कितने होते हैं? 12. तो आई विल राइट 4 into 12. तो 4 dozen banana cost is rupees 60, and they told how much banana can be purchased for rupees 12.50. Now we'll do cancel it, cross multiply. 4 into 20 multiply by 12.50 upon 60. Now decimal है, I will cancel 2 है, I will put 2 0. Now 0 0 cancel. Now 12 ones are 12, 5s are and 0, 50. Now 5 ones are sorry, this is 5, this is 1 2 5. So I will take the table of 5. 5 2s are 10, 2 5 5s are 5, 10s are 5, 5s are 5, 2s are 2, 1s are 2, 2s are. So 2 5s are 10 bananas. Okay, we can write the statement also. They told we can, the 10 bananas can be purchased for rupees 12.50. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.